Hello beautiful people, Brenda here and welcome back to Motivation with Brenda. This is a channel where you get all the life lessons, life motivations and life inspirations that will make sure that you never give up in life. So today I come back with good news. So guys, you remember like about 2 weeks ago I had posted a video about quitting YouTube. So you guys, I really wanted to quit YouTube, but shortly afterwards, like 2 days later, I received an email from YouTube Black. Yeah, so YouTube Black is, I think, is a segment of YouTube that just deals with African content creators. Apply for this year's Africa Creator Week event. And what really pushed me to apply for the event was that the theme about this year's Africa Creator event is about content creators wellness. So that is the theme of the event. It has not happened yet. It's going to start tomorrow, which is Monday 29th November of 2021, and I'm so excited to experience. And the people that are attending the event, I mean the big YouTubers, who knew that me, Brenda, at one time I'd be sitting in one forum with Wabosha Maxine, Mathenge Comedy, Alex Mathenge, the Watts family, Mutembei TV, Sami Kyoko, these big names, I never really knew that at one point I'll sit in one forum with them. But guys, who is God? It's going to happen starting tomorrow. So today we're going to unbox the package that I received from YouTube. I know you all have been waiting for this moment, and I don't want to keep you waiting anymore. So let's get to unboxing the package. So this is the package I received from YouTube. This is how it came in this bag. Let me just lift it up. This is how it came in. Let's do this. And if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe so that we grow together. So actually I love this packaging, and what's unique about is this YouTube logo. At least you people can believe me that this is a package from YouTube because of this logo here. Ningewambia I've received a package from YouTube without this logo, you'll not have believed me. So this is how it looks and it's quite heavy. So let's unbox our package. So guys, first thing you have to know is that I'm still expecting one more item from YouTube that will come in tomorrow. I hope I'll get the opportunity to show you guys what I'm expecting to come in tomorrow. So in this box are the items that will be needed for the dinner event that will be going on, that will be happening tomorrow at 8 p.m. Tomorrow is Monday. You guys, I'm so excited for tomorrow. So these are the items that will be needed for the group activity. I don't know what we'll be making, but whatever we'll be making, I hope it's something beautiful, because I think that in here as yeleweki, but I know something beautiful will come out of this. So let's start. So when you open this thing, this is how it looks, this way. So this is a card from the Black YouTube Black, just telling you what is inside this box, and the hashtags that you can use when posting on social media. Doesn't have so much, but I love it. They are black. The inside here, these are the items that it's quite heavy. This is what is inside here. So we have these types of beads. I don't know what we'll be making, but I know it will be something beautiful. So we have this type of beads. There are 2 each. This. We also have this white beads. I don't know what we'll be making, but I know it will be something beautiful. We have this type of beads. Beads. These are also beads. Look. They're all beads. Then we have these pliers here. Jewelry pliers. I don't know what they're meant for. That is it. That's the first. I don't know. Yeah, that one. We also have this one here. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, that is it. Then we have these 2. But I'll see, guys, me, I don't know what we'll be making. This is what we have. I don't know what we'll be making. I don't know if you guys know what we'll be making, but if you know, you can start giving me ideas so that I prepare myself. That is it, guys. That is what was inside this package of mine. I can't wait to experience the event. Given that so many big people will be attending, I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited, and I can't wait to bring you guys the feedback, you know. Yeah, so guys, that is basically it. Those are the items that were inside my package. As I've told you, I can't wait to know what we'll be making. Yeah, so guys, the thing is, just get into the habit of registering for any event that you see that is from YouTube. Like for me, I think I got the opportunity to get here because I had applied for the YouTube Black Fund. Of course, I didn't qualify, but they have kept on sending me email when there's any event. So my work has just been applying for the event and waiting for what happens, you know. So if you see any notification from YouTube just to apply for any event, just get into the habit of applying for it. Like for me, maybe I came back because I finally realized that there's still some hope in creating content on YouTube. And given that the YouTube event creators wanted to talk about the creator wellness on YouTube while creating content, to me just made me realize that these people already know what we go through, that the YouTube burnout is real. People get depressed, people are suffering mentally because of the frustration that comes with creating content. It made me come back with a new hope, knowing that at least some people somewhere, even the people working at YouTube, know that people get worn out. So I decided to come back with renewed energy, and knowing that I really just have to focus on my passion, why I really started creating content. And you know, guys, that gave me a hope, that gave me the energy, that gave me new strength to just come back and keep educating you guys. I hope you learn from me. So the dinner is tomorrow. I hope I'll get the opportunity to share the package that will be coming in tomorrow. I don't know what it is, but I'm so excited. As in, this entire thing is just gassing me up, you know. And I'm so excited to experience all this. So you guys, like this video, comment, like, subscribe. You can share to your friends. You can congratulate me, of course. So guys, that was it for today. Till the next video, guys. Bye bye.